Hey guys, this is Franco again. Just wanted to show you guys, give you a quick update of my TikTok ads and show you guys the progress. As I told you guys, I was going to show you the progress and the mistakes and everything that's happening, right? So I created my Shopify store. Right? I was going through it. I'm getting some clicks. I was looking into the to my ads. Where are people going? They're going to this page, the home page. So I was messing around with it, going through the website, and as I'm going through it, trying to click through the buttons, this was not directing me to the store, and neither is this one. Everything else works perfect. So I was saying, I was hearing, doing a little bit of research. So when people are clicking on my ad, they're supposed to go straight to the product, right? The funnel, and where the product's going to tell you what it is, and the landing page is going to tell you what the product is about, pictures of different angles and how is it made and all this stuff, right? It's trying to get your attention so you can click on the buy button. And the mistake that I'm going through is that I'm directing them straight to my homepage. So I'm going to do two tests. I'm going to run them to my homepage, but I'm going to have a little bit of a better funnel, and then I'm going to have the shop now button working. That's going to be working. And then the second one is going to be a straight landing page, straight to the product, where it tells you about the product, made in Romania, customized by our local potter, all that description, one of one, handcrafted race, rare piece. So that's what I need to work on. Oh, and you see, I hadn't even noticed this. I need to delete all these. So this is supposed to be, in my opinion, on the funnel at the top, telling you about the product. Hey, it's one of one. Hey, it's, handcrafted, etc., etc. So I'm going to run those two ads. Let me show you my campaigns and whatnot. So let me move this over here. So here, the reason I put woman, these products are targeted for women, home decor. So maybe I should try male as well, see how, how that responds. But that's the situation. That's what I'm going through right now. That's these testings. As you see, this one active. Oh yeah, this one's active. It's had 500 impressions, 2 clicks. CTR is not that good. It needs to be at least close to 2%. So I might turn this one off. That's why I was testing. As you see, I turned all these off. They were not good. The closest ones was this one, and then even this one was pricey because CPC was, and the CPM. You get the point. One of the most important factors here is supposed to be above 2%. I'm not there yet. I'm tweaking. I'm finding out, what budget's best. As you know, you're supposed to. One way that I found out that's working, and that's what got me closer to the 2% here, is that on my campaign I have a high amount, but as the daily budget, when it comes down to the actual ad, let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's go to this ad. Let's click on it. I set it at $100, right? But the actual ad budget per day, I put it at 25. So what it does, it's going to think that I want to waste the full $100. So it's going to drive as much traffic onto that ad, and I'm going to get a better click rate. So that's the first thing that I found out that kind of took me closer to 2%. I'm going to keep tweaking. I'm going to keep working on it. And I know it's going to work, because it's just error and trial. I'm not losing money. I'm learning. I'm paying to learn. So as you know, I'm learning myself. I really want to learn this. I shouldn't say myself. I'm watching a couple videos, a video here and there on social media of guys that really know how to explain, and they tell you how they're running their ads and show you the ins and outs and whatnot. So there's a lot of information out there, guys. There's tons of ways of videos and people to follow on social media. So that's what I'm going through. And keep in mind, guys, it's never too late. That's the reason for me. That's the reason I created this channel, to document the process and show you guys it's never too late to start over. I'm starting over. I got married. I got married here a few months ago. We have a kid on the way, baby girl or baby girl Amelia. So can't wait for her to be here next year. So it's a little uncomfortable. I wouldn't say scary, because it's not scary. You're learning, because I know at the end of the day when I learn this, it's going to be a skill that's going to pay the bills. So it's uncomfortable. It's never too late to start. Don't give up on your dreams, guys. Again, I'm sacrificing what I was doing before to be able to learn these new skills that I'm learning. Like, I already know how to set up a Shopify store. I already know how to set up a landing page. I already know how to set up a website. Not a fully website. And what I mean by fully website is, when they have all these tabs, but it's not hard. It just takes time. So I do know it. I keep my website simple. 2-3 tabs. The goal right now is speed. See which one gets better clicks, and then whichever service niche that I see more audience coming to that than driving traffic to those ads is where I'm going to double down, guys. So right now it's just a learning process. I'm trying to learn as fast as possible, day after day, doing something every day. I have a checklist that I follow, and one of them is like testing out at least one campaign with 3 ads in it, and then a new Shopify store every day. Trying to be as resourceful as possible. I know, sometimes when you start, you may not have a lot of capital. So how do you do that? Try to learn it by yourself, on your own, or watch some of these videos. As I get better, I'm going to be doing a step-by-step. I just don't want to mislead you, and then, you spend your marketing dollars. So as soon as I get this nailed down and I learn the process really well, I'm going to give it to you guys. Just put a step-by-step, and, that way you guys have it and learn a new skill, guys. So keep in mind, it's never too late to start over, guys. It's uncomfortable. As you get older, you have a lot of obstacles kind of against, it's like you're swimming against the current in a way, let's just say. Why do I say that? As you get older, guys, you have more responsibilities. So you have that in the back of your head, right? So you're like, shoot, I got bills to pay. I got to put gas in my truck. So all these, you have energy, you have all these bills that you have to pay, which is electric bill, internet bill, water, insurance, all that stuff, guys. So work as fast as possible. It's never too late to start over. After work, set a couple hours and put your phone on airplane mode. Tell your wife, your girlfriend, your kids, hey, I'm going to set these next 2 hours to work on this skill. I don't want you guys to come in, bother me. I'm learning something new. It's kind of like going back to school, guys. Old ways of school, it's kind of like, it's not the right way to let me rephrase that. Going to school is going to get you to survive through life. It's not going to get you to strive. If you want to make enough income to take your kids to Disneyland, Spend a couple $100 every weekend with your kids, Top Golf or wherever you guys go. You must have side hustles. You must have side hustles. And in my opinion, I believe marketing is one of the best side hustles that you're ever going to learn, guys. Um, I'm a '90s kid, so I don't consider myself too old, but also not young anymore. So I'm right in the middle, guys. So, anyways, just get to it, guys. Never too late. Documenting the process. Keep going at it. Be grateful. Have discipline, and have a purpose.